That might be for me.
No, it's not.
We'll see.
Yeah. Cool! I got some clothes! Awesome! Oh, cool. Thanks for the clothes.
You're welcome. You must have shipped that box. Isn't that what Dad says? If you pick up your boxes before Christmas, they turn to clothes?
If you shake them, your toys will turn to clothes. Wonder what that was before. What, Bella?
Who's this one for?
What?